topic is scapular anastomosis. So, anastomosis is nothing but the collateral pathway for the blood supply. So, um, arterial anastomosis around the scapula is the major topic which we are going to see now. So, this anastomosis is around the scapula is normally taking place between the subclavian artery and axillary artery. That to first part of subclavian artery and third part of axillary artery. So this is the anastomosis taking place in the scapula. Normally the anastomosis is taking place at the acromion process of the scapula and body of the scapula. So now we are going to see what all the arteries are going to involve in the anastomosis. So first we will see about the subclavian artery. This is the subclavian artery and this is the axillary artery. So this is the subclavian artery, which is gives a branch called thoracocervical trunk. From this thoracocervical trunk, the branch of cervical arteries, transverse cervical arteries arises, and from the thoracocervical trunk, suprascapular artery arises, and from the axillary artery, thoracoacromial artery, and anterior and posterior circumflex humeral artery. These are the branches which involves in the formation of anastomosis, and these are the main branches which arises from the subclavian artery and axillary artery. Now we will see about the anastomosis taking place at the acromion process of the scapula. So here first suprascapular artery gives a branch to the acromion process. That is the first one, acromion branch of suprascapular artery. And second, acromial branch of thoracoacromial artery gives a branch to acromion process. That is the second. And third, posterior humeral artery gives a acromion branch. So these are the three arteries which involves in the anastomosis around the acromion process of the scapula. So first, acromion branch of suprascapular artery. Second, a thoracoacromial artery, acromion branch of thoracoacromial artery, and third, acromial branch of posterior humeral artery. These are the main arteries which involves in the anastomosis around the acromion process of the scapula. Now we are going to see about the anastomosis around the body of the scapula. So in the body, branches arises from the transcervical artery, which is a branch of thoracocervical trunk in the subclavian artery. So first artery in the which involves in the anastomosis is the deep branch of transverse cervical artery, and second, suprascapular artery, and third, subscapular artery. So these are the three arteries which are involved in the anastomosis around the scapula. So these are the main anastomosis taking place around the scapula. Thank you.